Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and welcome to today's tip of the day. In this video, I want to share with you 3 ways on how you can improve tennis elbow without having to take medications or without seeing your doctor. Tennis elbow is not as common as, let's say, for example, neck or back pain, but it's a condition that can still be pretty debilitating especially if it affects your dominant hand. A lot of our patients who develop that have a hard time going back to work, or they have a hard time going to work. Now, studies have shown that people older than 40, so 40 years old and up, tend to be more prone to having tennis elbow. Now, in this video, I want to show you that those 3 ways on how you can improve tennis elbow. The first one is I want you to avoid a couple of things, because tennis elbow it's an overuse kind of condition. And when you keep using, let's say, my right hand is the one that's affected by the tennis elbow. If I keep using my right hand for daily activities, it's not going to allow the inflammation to go down. It's not going to let the body heal the inflammation. So I want you to avoid certain activities that triggers that causes more inflammation. And these are, number one will be gripping. So I want you to avoid tight gripping or repetitive gripping, because let me show you. When I grip, you see the tennis elbow is the irritation, is inflammation, the muscle and the tendon here, right? So when I keep doing this, you can see I keep using that muscle. Now, if I keep doing that, it's gonna keep irritating it, inflammation's gonna keep building up, and it's not gonna allow the condition to get better. So gripping is number one. The second one is twisting. So if I keep doing this, as you can see that muscle there, right? So if I keep doing this, I keep using that same muscle. So if that's the case, again, it's not going to allow the body to heal because I keep irritating it. So I want you to avoid those 2 primary activities. So that's one of the 3 ways. The second way that I want you to, that I would recommend to help improve tennis elbow is I want you to stretch the extensor, the wrist extensor muscle, which is this group here. So how do we do that? I want you to put your arm outstretched like this, bend your wrist this way, okay, and use your other hand, put it here, this part of your hand, not on the fingers because this will bend. So this part of your hand here, and then you just push it down this way. All right, so everybody has a different range there that they can push. So mine tends to go a little further, so I can go further like this. If yours go only up to here, that's fine. So when you do that, let me show you from this side. If I do this, you will stretch the extensor tendons there, the extensor muscle group. So when I do this, you'll feel a stretch here, and that means you're stretching it correctly. I want you to hold that for 20 to 30 seconds. You repeat it 3 times. And you can do that a couple of times a day. So that's the second way that I would recommend. And the number 3, the third way is I want you to do some self-massage to the area. You can use just your fingers. You go on that extensor muscle group there. All right, so a lot of times you have a point there where it's very tender, but I want you to do some deep friction massage there, going this direction, right to side, deep firm pressure. You can do that for 5 minutes, a couple of times a day, or you can use something like this. You can use a rubber bouncy ball or a tennis ball or a lacrosse ball. You press down and you're going to be rolling it on that extensor muscle group there. All right? And same principle as when you were doing it with your hand. Either way, it will be okay. Whichever is easier for you. Do it for 5 minutes. You do it a couple of times a day. All right? So try doing those. Those are the 3 ways that I would recommend on how you can improve your tennis elbow without having to see your doctor and without having to take medication. And let me know what you think about this video. Feel free to leave your comments below. Let me know if this means anything to you. Feel free to share this with your family and friends and your loved ones. Hopefully it's going to be of help to them. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips on how to end chronic pain. Till next time, stay safe, stay pain-free. Bye.